वेलकम बैक फ्रेंड। मैं आज आपके लिए एक व्लॉग लेके आया हूँ जो कि है नाने घाट के ऊपर। और नाने घाट क्या है, कैसे बनाया था, क्या था, कब बनाया था, उसकी सारी हिस्ट्री, सारा डिटेल्स मैं आज आपके सामने पेश करने वाला हूँ। मुंबई से करीब 164 किलोमीटर्स नाने घाट है जो कि माउंटेन्स और काफ़ी बादलों से घिरा हुआ रहता है। We started our journey in the morning from Thane, suburb of Mumbai, crossing all the way from Murbad to Malshes Ghat. Malshes Ghat is a mountain range between Kalyan and Ahmednagar, and the best time to visit is during the monsoon. Majorly cultivated crop in this region is rice, and the rice cultivation is majorly done in monsoon season. This place is full of live monsoon rainwater streams that crosses across the villages and are very beautiful to watch. You can reach Nane Ghat by your vehicle, and the other way to reach there is by trekking. Nane Ghat is almost 2,700 feet. It is a mountain pass in the Western Ghat region between Konkan coast and the ancient town of Junnar. It was a part of ancient trading route and famous for its caves. One part of Nane Ghat lies in Junnar, which is also a birthplace of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and is known as Shivneri Fort. These caves were carved at the top of the Nane Ghat so that the fellow passengers can take a rest during their journey. I urge everyone, please do not misbehave in such historic places and do not spoil the historic walls by such paintings. This script and all the details mentioned in this cave describes about the Satavahan dynasty. Satavahan dynasty is a kingdom that came exactly after the Maurya kingdom. It was very difficult to travel between these terrains, but it was important trade route that connects internal part of Maharashtra. It was founded and made during Satavahan dynasty in 200th century BC. This time was a golden period for Maharashtra, which created many important cities like Paitan, Junnar, Nasik due to the trade. This is the top of Nane Ghat, which can be considered as one of the oldest toll road during that era. It was a people's belief that all the money collected as a part of toll, people used to put in this pot. At the edge of the Nane Ghat, you can also see Lord Ganesh temple. There is a Jivdan fort at the top of the Nane Ghat, hardly a kilometers away. Thank you very much for watching, and please like, subscribe for my channel.